Hey everyone, welcome back. So if you watched my last video, we were talking about how to solve multiplication problems using arrays. Guess what? We're going to do division problems using arrays also, because multiplication and division are really the same thing but working backwards. So the first problem we have here is 12 divided by 3. Another way I can say this is 3 times what number is 12? Which means, in total, I need how many dots? 12. And I'm going to have how many rows or columns? I'm going to have 3 and something else. Now the trick is, I have to figure out what the other number is using all of my dots. So I'm going to start with the first 3. 1, 2, 3. And I have to use the rest of my dots. So if I've already used 3, and I need 12 total, I should have 9 more dots here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it in order. And I'm going to go 1 for this one, but whatever I do, I have to do evenly. So 1, 1, 1. I still have more, so I'm going to keep going. 2, 2, 2. I've got more. And that's it. And now I'm going to use this information to say, well, 3 is my number of rows, so how many columns do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, 4 columns. So now, I'm going to write 3 times 4 is 12, or 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now, for the next time, I'm not going to write my multiplication statement. You can, but I'm not going to. How many dots do I need in total? I'll give you a clue. It's that number right there. If you said 20, you're right. That's a lot of dots. And how many rows am I going to have? I'm going to have 4 rows. So let's draw my 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to use all of these dots, 20 dots. So let's start using my dots. So that's 1 column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 columns. 1, 2. Let's keep going. 3, 4. 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 columns, and I'm out of dots. So let's just make sure we've used all of our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I used all of them, 20 dots. So if I had 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, how many columns did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 columns. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. Let's go to the next one. 8 divided by 2. How many dots do I need to do this problem? Let me move to this side. How many dots do I need to do this problem? If you said 8, you're right. And how many rows am I going to make? 2. 1, 2. And I need to use the rest of the dots. So let's go 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. How many columns did I make? Dividing all my dots equally. 4. 4 was right. Now, I'm out of dots, so I'm going to borrow from here. How many dots do I need to use for my last problem? 4. Because right here is a 4. Remember, the first number in the division is how many we're using in total. Or 4 times what is 4? and this 4 is this 4. So I want to use 4 dots. And I'm going to have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm out of dots. Poof, magic. How many columns do I have here? How many columns? I always found these to be the hardest because it's really just 1 column. It's not 9, it's 1. There is 1 column. So let's rewrite that. 4 divided by 4 is 1. That's it. You have just learned what division is and how to do it. So I want you guys to go now and do your independent worksheets. I know you're going to do a great job. Bye.